I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make captivating end credits, mirroring professional movie productions. We will explore the essential tools and techniques needed to craft a visually impressive and emotionally resonant credit sequence. From selecting the right software to mastering animation and sound design, you will learn to produce professional quality results that leave a lasting impression on your audience. Let's dive into the creative process and elevate your projects. To begin, you will need robust video editing and motion graphics software. Programs like Adobe After Effects or DaVinci Resolve offer the powerful features necessary for complex text animations and visual effects. Selecting appropriate, high-quality fonts is also vital to convey the right tone. Additionally, incorporating subtle background elements, whether stock footage or custom graphics, can greatly enhance the overall visual richness of your credit sequence. Now, let's focus on bringing your text to life. Animate each name and role with subtle, elegant movements and smooth transitions. Utilize keyframes to precisely control the speed and timing of every element, ensuring a polished look. Consider implementing parallax scrolling to create a sense of three-dimensional depth. Finally, apply effects like soft glows and gentle lens flares to add that professional, cinematic touch, making your credits truly stand out. For the final touches, begin by color grading your credit sequence to ensure a cohesive and professional visual style. Consider adding subtle background textures or particle effects to maintain visual interest throughout. Crucially, select impactful music that builds emotional resonance, guiding your audience through the experience. Synchronize any sound effects with key visual moments to heighten the drama and overall impact, creating a truly memorable and immersive end credit sequence for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.